Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. You know who I am. It's Thursday, thunderous Thursday, even though it looks really nice outside here in Sutter County. Yesterday, wow, it was going to be a busy day regardless of what happened. We had a very dire plumbing emergency, which it's yeah. All right. So the other night, I did a sesame chicken. I'm going to call it Sesame Chicken 3. It was really good. It was very tasty. I liked the crunch. The breaded chicken was very nice touch. Very good. I posted the recipe yesterday. Today is a day I am extremely excited about. I am going to make fresh pasta. Yes! Fresh pasta. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Not a lot of people can say, I made fresh pasta. Now, I know there are numbers of you in the group that make fresh pasta. I have never done it. I actually found a great video and a great method, recipe, whatever you want to call it, to make fresh pasta. The ingredients are extremely simple. So, on top of that, because you can't just have pasta alone, you can't. But I'm going to be doing a ground elk a sauté. And let's get to it. Okay, we got the hardware. 2 Dutch ovens. There's the ingredients for the pasta. I'm using all-purpose flour. Don't get on me for not using double aught or triple aught ground flour. I understand it's okay to use all-purpose flour. Of course, I have the eggs and the semolina, whatever how you say it, flour for rolling it out. And there's my wonderful marble rolling pin that Robin has had for I don't know how many years. I inherited it when we got together over 24 years ago. So to go over and with the fresh pasta is the elk hamburger, which elk is typically very lean, but this butcher actually puts in some beef fat to not make it so lean. There's going to be peas, corn, onion, garlic, just a little bit of white wine, of course, kosher salt and black pepper and olive oil, to do the sauté. But I'm going to be herbs and spices. I'm going to be adding Mexican sweet basil, Mexican oregano, and Mexican paprika. So yes, yumminess all around. And Robin, because she has an important meeting at work this afternoon, so she might be running a little late, which is fine, but she has promised me that she will text me when she's on her way home. That way I can drop the fresh pasta in the boiling water and have that pasta ready for when she gets home. Good plan. So, on this thunderous Thursday, and the day I am making fresh pasta, and by the way, I am now less than a week from a full year. Countdown continues. And I already have the next few days planned. Yes. All right. On this thunderous Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.